Consider a food manufacturer that processes ready-to-eat meals. They have environmental swab data from their production areas going back years, Listeria testing results, ATP hygiene readings, and cleaning records. They build a time series forecasting model that predicts microbiological trend alerts up to 5 days in advance based on patterns in temperature, humidity, sanitation frequency, and historical swab results. In week 3 of live operation, the model flags Zone 3 as trending toward an elevated Listeria risk in the next 4 days. The team investigates and discovers a compromised door seal, allowing warm, humid air ingress that's affecting the cleaning effectiveness. They replace the seal, intensify sanitation in Zone 3, and retest. All swabs come back negative. No product was compromised, no recall was needed, and no customer ever knew there was a risk. That's the quiet, powerful reality of predictive AI in quality risk management. The best outcome is the problem you prevented and never had to report.